Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Eero device profiles and parental controls step by step clearly. To begin transferring Eero device profiles and parental controls, ensure you have the Eero app installed on your mobile device. Open the Eero app and log into your account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Devices tab. Here, you will see a list of all connected devices. Select the device profile you wish to transfer. Tap on the device profile to open its settings. Next, locate the option for parental controls within the profile settings. If parental controls are currently set, take note of the restrictions you have in place. Exit the settings of the selected profile. Now, return to the main dashboard and select the device to which you want to transfer the profile. Tap on the new device to access its settings. Look for an option labeled Manage Profile or Add Profile. Select this option to create a new device profile for the chosen device. Proceed to customize the settings as needed, including any previously noted parental controls. Once configured, save the new device profile. To finalize the transfer, ensure that the new profile is active for the selected device. Your Eero device profile and parental controls have now been successfully transferred. You can verify this by returning to the Devices tab and reviewing the settings of the new profile. Enjoy your enhanced network control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.